Alright guys, so here is the final product. I used both of the packs, and I did go ahead and layer the hair as y'all saw in that last part of the video, because this hair is a good little length. As y'all can see, I did have to add a little bit of shape to it, or a bit of like a real funky type cut if I did not. My initial review so far of this hair is I do feel like it will be frizzy, but I have slept on it a couple of nights, and all I really have been doing is just wearing it up in a pineapple and putting it into a bonnet. I have not used mousse on this hair, so I don't know if that will help tame any of the frizziness, but as I was installing, I did have trouble with a couple of pieces and I saw that it did frizz quick. You can kind of like bush it up more in the parts to make it a little bit more natural looking. I didn't do that because, let's be honest, I don't know how long I'm gonna have this in my hair. For real, because I do, as y'all know, want to take it out and do a new style already. But like, I guess so far so good with this hair. It does look super cute, guys, in a pineapple, which I will show you guys at the end of this video as well. But other than that, I would probably rate this hair on a scale from 1 being my least favorite to 10 being my top favorite. I would probably put it in the middle. I'll probably give it like a 5. I won't rate it too bad because it hasn't become super frizzy, and because I can put it in a pineapple and take it down and it will still look like this. So yeah, I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video.